side. Real low, yeah, we slipping like a riptide. Pink pills, drop through the trapdoor. Back room, red ropes, is a little more. Cheap thrills, I got what you're looking for. You ain't seen nothing like this before. You ain't seen nothing like this before. You ain't seen nothing like this before. Come get real close, let me show you something.
Happy, happy 18th birthday, Juliet!
People dream high in the quiet of the night. You know that I caught it. Bad, bad boy, shiny toy.
Happy birthday, Julian. Wish ko makatapos ka ng pag-aaral mo. Alam ko naman, matutupad mo naman lahat yan. Kasi masipag ka eh. Kaya tuloy-tuloy mo lang hanggang sa maabot mo lahat. Yun, happy, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Julian!
Happy birthday, Julian!
Love you!
Hang your head low in the glow.
Happy birthday, Ate Ju!
I wish you all the best and happiness and love that you deserve. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Yan lang naman yung gusto ko. Happy, happy birthday, Julian!
I was waiting for you just to cut to the bone. Devils roll the dice, angels roll their eyes, and if I bleed, you'll be the last.
Happy birthday, Julian!
It's blue, the shape of your body is blue. The feeling I got it is blue.
Hiling ko sa'yo sana, matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Salamat sa pagiging mabuting kaibigan sa amin.
Unbreakable heaven, but summer with you. I'm drunk in the
Kapit lang. Sana matupad ang lahat ng pangarap mo. Kaya mo yan.
but it wasn't true. I don't wanna keep secrets just to keep you alive. Stuck in through the garden gate.
And I hope this new chapter of your life, you can find the true happiness sa lahat na magiging steps mo sa life.
He looks so pretty like a devil. It's blue. The shape of your body is blue. The feeling I got it is blue.
Happy birthday, Julian. May pamangkin. Sana matupad mo ang iyong pangarap at sana wag ka munang mag-asawa ng maaga. Dahil ikaw lang ang inaasahan ng magulang mo.
I'm drunk in the back of the car, and I cried like a baby coming home from the bar. Said I'm fine, but it wasn't true. I don't wanna keep secrets.
Birthday na, love you, mag-aral ka ng weekend. At para matupad mo mga pangarap mo, lagi kang magpapakabait, hindi ka magbago.